Hello students, now I'm again here with same chapter sound. We will continue and today we will discuss very important part of this chapter, that is how do we hear sound. So regarding this we will discuss about the human ear and the complete process by which we used to hear the sound. So come here, first go through this figure. This is the human ear. This is outer part called pinna. This is ear canal, tube-like structure, and this is eardrum, stretched membrane, and this is bone called hammer, second bone called anvil, third bone called stirrup. And after this you can see there is a oval window. This is oval window which connects cochlea with stirrup, which connects middle ear with inner ear. And this is cochlea. It is filled with fluid, liquid, and that is connected with auditory nerves. This complete is connected with auditory nerves. Now we will go to this part is outer ear. Outer ear consists pinna, ear canal, and eardrum. Middle ear consists hammer, these three bones, hammer, anvil, and stirrup. And inner ear consists these three parts: oval window, cochlea, and auditory nerve. Now let's continue the discussion. Sound waves collected by outer ear pinna. This outer ear collects the sound waves and passes through ear canal, and sound waves passes through ear canal to eardrum. It passes to eardrum. These three are outer ear. Then eardrum start vibrating. With that vibration, eardrum start vibrating and it touches the hammer. Means vibration passes to hammer, and then hammer passes vibration to anvil, because hammer hit the anvil and it touches the anvil and passes the vibration to anvil. Anvil is connected with third bone, stirrup. Vibration passes to stirrup, and then from stirrup vibrations, this is oval window. It is connected with oval window. Then through oval window, this is the point. This is the area at which the sound vibrations amplified. The sound vibrations amplified vibrations. Then passes to cochlea. So when sound passes to eardrum vibrates to and fro. It comes to and fro motion and it touches the hammer. This causes hammer to vibrate. Passes waves to anvil and then to stirrup, middle ear. Through oval window, amplified vibrations passes to cochlea. Vibrations amplified here and it passes to cochlea. Cochlea, it's a liquids present in cochlea. Cochlea contains liquids that set up these vibrations. Liquid under cochlea set up the vibrations into electrical impulses and passes through auditory nerves to our brain. Then vibrations are set up or converted into electrical impulses, and these auditory nerves behaves like the electrical wires and it carries the electrical impulses to our brain. The brain interprets and we get the sensation of hearing. Then brain interprets and we get the sensation of hearing. The brain interprets such things. Few things I have written here. Number one, unknown voice. Brain tells us it is a known voice. It means you are listening the voice of your known person, father, mother, teacher, friends. Then you are easily recognized these voices because it is a known voice. That brain interprets you. Brain tells you that it is a known voice and you can easily identify. Unknown voice. If you are listening any voice first time, then it is unknown voice. Then brain interprets you, give the answer that it is the unknown voice. Third, noise. If you are hearing any noise, then brain interprets you, it is a noise, it is a music, it is a soft voice, it is a hard voice, harsh voice, it is instrumental voice, it is non-instrumental voice. So lot of informations, lot of things we can get from our brain interprets after getting the electrical impulses through optic nerves to our brain. So this is the system that we used to hear through our ear. So this is the human ear, very important part. So you have to understand, you have to go through this and draw this figure neat and clean, and also write all these things and try to understand. If any question, any query, you can ask. No problem. Okay. Thank you very much. Just take a look this figure. I'm going to increase the size of the figure so that you can draw it easily. You can see pinna, ear canal, hammer, eardrum, anvil, oval window, stirrup, auditory nerves and cochlea. The complete human ear is divided in three parts. Outer ear consists pinna, ear canal and eardrum. Middle ear consists hammer, the combination of three bones, hammer, anvil and stirrup. Inner ear consists oval window, cochlea and auditory nerves. So figure is very important. You have to draw this, okay? And everything just note down in your copy. Try to understand. Okay. Thank you very much.